Timer. Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I already know.
I don't like it.
I already know.
I don't like it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Heather.
And I'm Char.
And this is We're Gonna Do It. So today I have my 12, almost 13-year-old son with me, Tristan, today. And as soon as he heard what we were doing, he decided, with extreme excitement of his own, that he wanted to do this with us. So today, as you can see, we have LIL NITRO. And, you know, world's hottest gummy bear. Probably sure you've seen it quite a few times. And this is going to be one of our little bonus videos, so this is not a suggestion. This is kind of our own little dealie, so...
And there it goes.
And it's being thrown around.
This guy's been through some stuff.
He's about to be through a lot more.
Yeah.
I think we are.
Alright, so anyways, me and Char are each going to cut like the feet off of our gummy bears and give them to Trist. So we're each going to have like 3/4 of a gummy bear, and he's going to have about the equivalent of half, which should be more than enough to do the trick for all of us.
Again, probably gonna
ride.
Even says on the box, consumer beware, this is not your ordinary gummy bear.
Exactly. And it's from the Flamethrower candy company, so kudos to them. You know, I got a couple more hot candy challenges
like a chocolate bar.
coming, so look out for those too. So I guess the best thing to do is kind of open them up.
Spontaneously combustible.
No, I'm not taking it out of the package yet. Spontaneously combustible is what she said before Tristan kind of...
Yeah, I'm not sure if, like, does that mean, like, it or, like, us, or...
I don't know.
What does that even
very
mean?
Dangerous, guys.
Fully chew this fiery bear and see if you can handle the heat.
Spontaneously combustible means that it might randomly explode.
Alright, so here's the challenge. I don't know if you guys can see that, but apparently we need to chew the gummy bear and see if we can handle the heat. We gotta go 5 minutes without taking a drink. 5 minutes to complete the challenge. So, fun times.
My stomach already hurts.
Alright, so I'm gonna put the gloves on. So, as I said, for all of you out there who see the child, he is 100% doing this of his own accord. He refused to let me say no. Stop, honey, because I need to cut it. I need to cut Char's as well. Alright, so we're going to open the gummy bears. Holy crap. It smells like a raspberry gummy
This
bear.
one's like, no!
Can I smell it?
It smells like a raspberry gummy bear. Just smell it.
Oh, it does.
Smells like a raspberry gummy bear. He's cute. He's got he's holding a little stick of dynamite, so he's definitely, you
All
can tell.
things that look cute are evil.
Exactly.
They're evil.
So as you can see, I'm gonna try to cut like a good even amount off.
Just cut it.
Trying. Whoops, there it goes.
Jeez, that made a noise when I fell.
She missed.
All right. I already almost touched my face.
You do not do that. Don't
Sure,
touch your
stay
face when you
there.
touch these.
Blair!
There we go.
Now we eat.
Okay, wait.
Alright, I have to...
All right, so.
Oh, he's right beside you.
Yep. He's been beside me.
Well, that's why I just yelled for him, because I didn't know where he
touch
went.
it.
Don't you dare drop those.
I'm gonna eat them.
All right,
Got both
so.
pieces still. Now we just eat it.
Hang on. All right. So 5 minutes. Do you want to set a timer? Do you think we can?
I only smell gloves. No.
Blair, stop.
I'm a gummy bear.
This shouldn't be that bad, should it?
Alright.
'Cause I'm a gummy bear.
Volume
Don't try making this seem nice.
is up. Timer,
All right.
if you can
I'm gonna do my best to actually
Yeah.
get the timer up proper. I'm getting better.
Yes.
I'm getting
Okay.
better.
Timer. Yep. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I already know.
I don't like it.
I already know.
I don't like it. No.
I can't.
Bodily reactions, like, I just want to spit it out.
I failed.
Okay. Oh.
That's a no. Milk.
I swallowed it. My body went, let me.
Ugh,
Eh.
who does that?
What the hell? It's gonna be for. I'm sorry, but I can't even speak. Grab me something. Hey, stop, Bubble. Oh my god.
This is mine now.
I couldn't handle that anyway.
Why would you make this? Oh, when does it stop?
I had to, guys.
I couldn't even swallow it. I tried and my body just like, what? You know? I didn't even chew it.
I'd go for that 2-liter water challenge right now.
Steve. No!
Okay, Blair, watch out.
That's literally the worst thing I've ever put in my mouth. Give me that.
This is mine.
Oh my god.
Can't drink. How can you drink it?
She's in there.
That was a fail.
Oh yeah, that's what I said. Chug her back. Bring her back.
Oh, get you more.
Oh, I don't care.
Ah!
This is mine now.
Understandable. Hey, bro, no, don't touch that.
I'm so pranking my cousin with this. So, pranking my cousin with this.
Ah!
Me no likey. all definitely failed that.
Oh God. The burn is.
I didn't even chew it. Why?
Nope.
Definitely not doing the chocolate bar.
Mm-mm. Come here with that milk.
Something else. More.
We're back, guys. I just had to go throw up.
It does not taste good. Oh, it's going away.
Just literally, just put it in and leave it in your mouth.
You can.
Why won't it go away?
Here. Just like take a big chunk and just leave it on your mouth. Just leave it on your lips.
Ah, it's so much worse.
No, it isn't. It's helpful. It's a lot helpful. Ow!
No. No.
Don't do this.
Why?
Oh my God.
Why would anyone do that?
Why would someone make this?
That shouldn't be legal. What in the literal? No.
I swallowed it, it got to here, and my body asked Tristan, it was just like, so like right here is burning.
I didn't even chew it once.
I swallowed it completely. I think it came back up. I don't know. A lot of stuff did.
Oh, it's the worst
I
thing
can't breathe.
I've ever put in my mouth.
I think this will be the most ice cream I've eaten in one sitting.
I've never eaten something spicy again.
Ah!
And I've complained over chili.
Give me this.
What in the literal F is that? What's that noise?
Oh, it's a fire.
Only eat this if you think. If only. You can't even
My
speak.
ear hurts.
Only eat this if you want to.
Like legitimately, like my ear hurts. Ah! I need something.
This is great.
I can't keep it down.
No. Just no.
I can't keep it down. I can't keep it down.
It won't stop burning. My lips are ew, here. My lips are burning.
Not again.
starting to know it's not. I lied.
I didn't expect it to be that hot. I hate my hot sauce. I can't wait to eat the 50 chicken nuggets.
I think my timer went off.
Yeah, I stopped that shit like we made it like 15 seconds.
The second, honestly, okay, I think I can explain my half. The second that gummy bear hit my lip, hit my tongue, hit just even, I looked at it. No. I want to stop burning.
Oh my god, that is literally the worst thing I've ever put in my mouth. Who does that?
He's got a great idea.
Tristan's got a fucking ice pack in his mouth.
I've never ate so much ice cream in one sitting.
Yeah, you have.
I really haven't.
No?
No.
You have like 6 points.
I don't want to stop eating.
Ah!
It literally feels like someone's got like 10 matches lit in my mouth. You know that feeling that you get when you burn your hand and it's a giant blister or something, and you put it under cold water, and then the burn comes back. That's what this feels like. Oh my god. The second that ice cream hits my mouth, though, it's heaven. I don't want to not.
At first I was like, okay, it's not so bad, it's just a little bit burny.
10 seconds later.
And then I tried to swallow it.
Why won't it stop? God, this hurts so much.
It's going away! It's going away!
That should be the beginning of the video. When you show it, oh no, my ice cream. Ah! It's gonna be like 4 minutes of the video. We're not even here. Just have something come up across the screen. Yeah, in the bathroom puking. I couldn't do it. Can't, no.
I almost puked. I said, man, that thing got to my esophagus. It got to here, and it.
I swallowed mine completely. It's
My body literally would not let me. I f***ing tried.
How
Nope.
much ice cream I've eaten, guys. Minus like
It's
this
stopping!
from Tristan.
Oh, thank God!
My nose is running.
Why?
My makeup is like
It comes back!
all down my face.
Ah. The whole time my mouth is just like, F you. Tristan's dead. He's down for the count. He's chewing on an ice pack, laying out on the trampoline. Okay, got it. That's a hard no. Why? And we gotta do chocolate and a death
No,
nut.
not doing it. Not doing
Not
it.
even joking, I am eating one.
No.
Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna happen.
No. It's not. No.
That's 13 million Scovilles. This bear is only 9 and my body rejected it, literally.
Not doing it.
Her body rejected it. His body rejected it.
I didn't even chew it!
Who does this? Professional spice eaters. Oh, I don't know how you do it, but what the man. I took my tongue ring out. I'm so glad I did, but I'm not at the same time because the inside of the hole is burning. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I think we're gonna go.
It
try
wasn't
to
really much of one, but hope you guys can get a good laugh out of it. 'Cause, ow. I won't stop burning.
I literally, like, you can feel
No.
the heat coming out my mouth
If
and
you
my
can try, if
esophagus.
you guys can try to do this, if you do this challenge, don't breathe outwards. Breathe in.
If you manage to, we failed. We failed. That thing is ridiculous.
There's a reason why in The Simpsons, Homer ate wax before
man.
he ate the chilies. Chili peppers, whatever. Because no.
That was bullshit in its highest form. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Keep an eye out
If you
for our
want a little
next
bit
video.
of taste of hell, eat that.
Fucking taste. That is hell. That is hell
Literally
and
feels
then
like
some.
there's a whole pack of matches lit in my mouth.
I thought for a second there I was gonna die. I'm sincere with you. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
If you like the video, like it.
Peace out, guys.
Yeah.
Ouch.
If you didn't, well, it is what it is.
I'm not, no, never.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Notifications. Don't eat the f***ing bears.